Welcome to the Transactions section in FinyxFin. The Transactions view is the central place where you can see and manage all of your financial activity. You can open the transaction screen from the sidebar. When selected, it displays a list of all transactions across your accounts. At the top of the screen, you will see a summary card. This card shows the net flow for the selected period. Net flow represents the difference between your income and expenses. The summary also displays totals for income, expenses, and transfers. These values automatically update based on the date range and filters you apply. Below the summary, you will see the transaction list for the selected period. Each row represents a transaction and includes details such as the amount, account, category, and date. You can click or tap any transaction to open the transaction details screen, where you can review or edit the transaction. At the top of the transaction screen, there is also a toggle that allows you to show either all transactions or only cleared transactions. Cleared transactions represent completed activity. Pending transactions represent future or unconfirmed activity. When the toggle is set to cleared only, pending transactions are excluded from calculations such as net flow. The transaction screen also provides several powerful toolbar options. The first option is Scheduled Transactions. This opens the Scheduled Transactions screen, where you can view upcoming recurring transactions and manage their schedules. Next is the Import option. This allows you to import transactions from your bank using supported file formats such as CSV, OFX, QIF, or QFX. There is also a Select option that allows you to select multiple transactions. Once selected, you can perform bulk actions such as updating categories, editing notes, marking transactions as cleared or pending, or deleting them. Another important tool is the Filter menu. Filters allow you to refine the transaction list by type, status, account, or category. You can also sort transactions by date, amount, or category, and group them by date, month, account, category, or status. Now let's look at how to add a transaction. You can open the Add Transaction screen from several places in the app. When creating a transaction, you can choose between three types: expense, income, or transfer. Expense is selected by default. You can also link a transaction to an entity such as a bill, loan payment, goal contribution, or credit card payment. Next, choose the account from which the transaction is made. You can select an existing account or create a new one directly from the account selector. You can also choose a category for the transaction. While categories are optional, they are highly recommended because they help with budgeting and reporting. Next, select the date and time of the transaction. By default, the current date and time are used, but you can change them if needed. If the transaction is scheduled for the future, you can mark it as pending. FinyxFin also supports recurring transactions. These allow you to automatically create repeated entries such as subscriptions, rent, or salary payments. This feature is available with the premium subscription and can be managed from the Scheduled Transactions screen. You can also attach receipts or documents to transactions for better record keeping. Another powerful feature in FinyxFin is bulk updates. Bulk updates allow you to modify multiple transactions at once. For example, after importing transactions from your bank, you might want to update the category for multiple transactions. You can search for a keyword such as your employer's name, select all matching transactions, and assign them the appropriate category. Similarly, you can search for a merchant such as Amazon and update the category for all related transactions. This makes managing large numbers of transactions much faster and easier. Finally, please note that the transaction screen does not display investment trades. Investment activity is managed in the Investments section of the app, where you can track your portfolio, holdings, and investment performance. And that's how you can manage your transactions in FinyxFin.
Thank you for watching. To learn more about FinyxFin, visit FinyxFin.app.